Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over 3 text formatting formulas that you need to know in order to make your life easier. We've got the proper formula, lower formula, and upper formula. Using the proper formula, we will capitalize the first letter of every single word in your text string. So whether or not that is a name or a sentence, you will capitalize the first letter of every single word in that cell. The proper formula is especially helpful for any proper nouns such as places or names. The lower formula will change your text string so that all the words are in lowercase. And finally, the upper formula will change everything so that it's in uppercase. Every single letter of your text string will be in caps lock. Let's get started and I'll show you what I mean. So let's start with our names here. So we do equals, proper. Let's select our text that we want. So this one here, close our bracket. And here you can see that it's capitalized the first letter of each word. Let's copy this down using our autofill. And here you can see that it's cleaned up all of the names so that it's consistently just starting with the capital letter, the first letter, and then the rest of the letters are lowercase. Now let's use the lower formula. Equals, lower. Let's select our text, close your bracket, press enter. If I autofill this down, now you can see every word is in lowercase here. Now, finally, let's use the upper formula. Equals, upper. Select your text, close your bracket, drag this down, and now you can see that every single word and letter is in capital letters. These 3 formulas are especially helpful for you if you're going to be formatting names, places, or if you want to reformat the way that some of the text is showing up in your data book. Try this out for yourselves and let me know how you do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.